Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this piano, but let's go and get right into this. So as you can see, first I'm going to be putting this up. This is adjustable, so you just kind of want to adjust it where you want it. You just pull this thing out. So I'm just going to set it right like on the third one for now. Well, maybe the second one. That'll be good. Okay, so this is the instructions on how to put it together. So we are going to grab these, and it comes with the bolts and everything that you'll need to put it on. So then you're just going to put this bolt into here and then just screw it together. Let me kind of pull this out a little more so that it'll close. And you want to do that on both sides. Then we're going to flip it over. And then we're going to be applying them on this side now. And that is finished. And then you'll notice on the bottom side, it has this part right here. That's actually where you're going to screw in this part right here. So go ahead. And this will just keep it from completely falling off. So that when you flip it this way, it's not going to fall off. I'm going to put this right here. Now you can also use batteries for this as well. And as you can see, you have your power button on right here. So as you can see, when you're playing something, the keys will light up. It also comes with these, which you'll place on your piano keys, and it'll teach you like what each of the chords are. So this is great for beginners, someone that's learning how to play. And it has hard rock, club, and you're like, okay, so let's say club hop is 001. And then up here it has like Zumba is 021, so 021. Rave is 042. Hip hop is 084. And it tells you everything that you're playing right there. So let's go. You see how this will teach you actually how to play. This actually teaches you how to play. That is so awesome. This will
Isn't that
teach
your
you.
wedding song?
No, that's
Oh.
Beethoven. Isn't that awesome? Wait, so. Wait. Isn't that awesome?
I want to try.
Okay. Mommy, wanna pause?
Okay. So as you can see, it will teach you how to play songs because the keys will light up, which I think is awesome. Great for beginners.
I didn't touch anything.
Hurry, Master, Master, come on back. Is it?
So this is so that you can learn how to play with it. So you're gonna practice over here, and then whenever you get good, you can come over here. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.